If you're editing in DaVinci Resolve and it feels slow, there's a good chance you're just missing a few key shortcuts. Most beginners rely on clicking everything manually. And that works. But it's also exactly why edits take way longer than they should. The difference between a slow editor and a fast one usually isn't skill. It's efficiency. In this video, I'll show you 5 essential shortcuts that will instantly speed up your workflow. These are the ones I personally use in every single edit. And once you start using them, going back to manual editing will feel painful. Let's get into it. First up is the blade tool shortcut. Instead of going up and clicking the blade icon every time, just press B on your keyboard. Now you can cut clips instantly wherever you click. When you're done, press A to go back to the normal selection tool. This might seem small at first, but when you're making dozens or even hundreds of cuts, this alone can save you a surprising amount of time. Next is one of the most important shortcuts in the entire program. Split clip at playhead. The shortcut is Ctrl+B. This cuts your clip exactly where your playhead is without switching tools. And this is where things start to speed up. Because instead of constantly switching between tools, you stay in your flow and just keep editing. If you only remember one shortcut from this video, make it this one. Now let's fix one of the most annoying parts of editing, deleting clips, and then dealing with that empty gap left behind. Instead of deleting and dragging everything back manually, use Shift plus Backspace. This is called Ripple Delete. It removes the clip and automatically closes the gap for you. Once you start using this, you'll wonder why you ever edited any other way. Next is a shortcut that helps you move around your timeline much faster. Press the up arrow or down arrow keys. This jumps your playhead between edit points on your timeline, so instead of scrubbing around trying to find your cuts, you can instantly snap to the exact spots you need. This is huge when you're reviewing footage or tightening up edits, especially on longer timelines. And finally, one that improves your overall control. Zooming your timeline. Hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel. This lets you zoom in for precise cuts or zoom out to see your full timeline. It sounds basic, but mastering your timeline view makes a big difference in how fast you can work. Now here's the truth. You don't need to memorize dozens of shortcuts. Just start with 2. Ctrl+B and Shift plus Backspace. Those alone will make your editing noticeably faster right away. Then layer in the rest as you get more comfortable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to edit even faster, check out my next video.